Are you trying to buy a house with a government-backed loan? Well, let me save you a little bit of headache with this quick tip. If you are trying to get repairs done to a property and putting those repairs on a CD, what's that mean? It means that you negotiated with the seller, say, hey, I love your house, but the carpet sucks in this room. Will you replace it? Seller says, I ain't got the cash to do that, so why don't you just put it on the CD? And the attorney can pay the carpet company at closing. Well, guess what? The underwriters for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are saying, no, 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 that repair work needs to be done before closing. And we need photos of this and see all the other repairs that need to be done to this property. And does this change the appraisal value of the property? And is the buyer still approved for a loan after this? You know, they're gonna dig into it a lot more. So if you are putting repairs in escrow on a property that is a government-backed loan, you probably want to think twice about it, or at least contact your lender before you do it.